So let's open the reconnection request that we just created. From the case types, we click on case type, you can find the reconnection request. Click on it. So it will open. We just created this case type, right? So here we find the first stage. So our first stage is register request in our example. Let's try to rename it. Register request is the first stage, and let's add that name. Now parallelly we will also add the step names. The first step in our example was verify user. Okay, just name it verify user. The second step was access issue. Okay, just if you click on plus icon, it will open access issue. Then click on this, it will try to open, and one more step, log complaint. Okay, so we are done with our first stage. Likewise, we can keep on adding the rest of the stages in our example. Just for the sake, I will add the second stage as well. The second stage in our example is collect details. So let's add collect details. Okay, so this is it. This is the stage. Register request is the stage, and these are the steps, the collection of steps. And finally, click on save. You can even use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+yes.